Hey Rijn, what are you doing, my dear?
I'm riding horse.
You're riding Peach. Is this the first time, Rijn?
Nope.
No.
I think
Second?
it's the third time he's
Third.
sitting on her
Whoa.
with a saddle.
Yeah.
And this is the first time we walked that far. Goed zo, Piet. Goed zo.
Ze is mooi rechtop, je Rijn.
Goed zo, ja. Goed hè?
Goed zo. En wie hebben we hier? Onze lieve Scottijen.
Goed zo, ja.
Goed zo, Peach.
Is goed, Rijn?
Ja.
Stappen. Kom. Goed zo, ja. Hoppatee. Goed zo. Ja, Dad. Nog een keer erop.
Denk je erom dat ze net naar boeten rent? Want dat, ja, dat dacht ik al. En daar gong ze. Toppertjes.
Hallo?
Goed zo.
Kom maar ietsje. Goed zo.
Hoe vaak is dit nog dien, het logeren?
Nou, dit heb ik wel een paar keer dat in. Alleen nog maar single een kleine keer of zo.
Oké.
But it's very difficult. Say dit keer.
Hey, Ren.
Good morning.
Good morning. She show Yvonne with the ropes.
I think it's the second time.
Oh, the second time. Oeh, mooie stapjes tussen.
Ja, ze snapt het ook goed.
Stap, get ze even stappen. Ik zal even zien wat die jongen doet. Was eruit? Ja. Hello, it's Happy Saturday because we are with the three of us again. It's a little long time ago.
Hi, it's Sally.
Sally. Sally is pregnant. It's going very well with her. En Yvonne op Reina. Yvonne is learning and teaching Reina a lot. And there's a lot of wind. Ooh, beautiful. Again. I can see on Yvonne her face that she is enjoying a lot. A big smile.
I think 3 days ago I learned it with her. I teach with her.
Again. She's a nice horse, hè, Reina? Hi. Zo, hè. I said on a video, when you are riding the horse, you will always look happy.
Oh yeah.
I always see a big
Maybe
smile.
a bit concentrated, but I'm happy I can ride.
Yes. A lot of vitamins for you.
Silke en Rijntje. Renske en Peach. Rijntje sees a ship again. Kom! Rijntje had echt iets met boten. Ja. Bellen. Yveske. Good morning. What happened? Hey Daisy. Oh, did you escape again? Hey. Oh. Oké. Nou, doe maar. In de box. In de box. Doe maar. Hey Cheese. Pete. Doe maar. In de box. Goed zo. Doe maar. Oké. She opened this one again. Glendy. I'm cleaning the stalls. Reina, Rijntje en Sally. Yveske, Belle, Boukje en Blomke. Rijn en Tije. What are you doing? Let us zien hoe je hem dat doggen. Almost. Kom eens Rijn. Hey, wat goed idee. Yuck. That's how much rain. And yuck. Wat heeft zo die in Tije?
Bij de binnen iemand zit die.
Wow. Perfect. Hey Yveske. Hallo. Hey. Blomke, Boukje, Belle. En Yveske. Belle, Blomke. Doe maar Belle. Boukje. En Blomke. Yveske. Hey Yveske. Hallo. Goed zo. Ave. No. Belle, Boukje en Blomke. Hey, are you happy? Blomke. Hallo. Belle. Hey Belle. That's it? What is happening? Sally and Reina. Okay. Hey Reina. Sally? En here's Rijntje. Hey, Joker. Hey. Hello. Hey, Bella. Hi. I want to tell you something because let me show you. For some time now, I used this and it doesn't work that good, so I want to try something else. Yes. So, I now have this. It was new, but a horse ate it. So it's not that good anymore, but I want to try this. So this is it. And I have to wear gloves and put it on with that one. I also use it with the other stuff. So I try. And it's because, hello, of that. Can we see that bump? So it's her bone. And maybe this stuff will help. So hopefully it helps. Reina, Sally, Rijntje, Peach, Glendy, Daisy, Yveske, Bella, Boukje, and Blomke. And we are missing Rocky for a day now. And I think the last time I saw her was here. But I don't hear her, see her. So I don't like it. Reina. Hey, Bella. Boukje, Yveske, Blomke. En Bella. Oh. Hi. I just rode Reina and now I'm going to stall G. And there Andrea is going to ride Tyrone just because we like it. And I wanted to tell you that Rocky is still spoorloos. We still can't find Rocky. And Bauke searched everywhere, and just like me, but we can't find him. Her. But yeah, hopefully she comes back. Tyrone and Andrea. And Tyrone has a little bit tension, as you can see. We just said that he is going to be a bit more relaxed. Hey, Dolly. Hey. Elske. No. Zo, Elske. Dolly. Hey, Tije. Wat ben je ontdaan?
Rakkie
Ja. Rockyfoot, hè?
Ja.
Ja, vind je dat leuk?
Nee.
Ik ken het net vinden.
Nee.